Hey guys, it's me, Sing. And today we're gonna be playing an Obby with my sister.
Hi guys.
So right now I'm just waiting for her. When are you gonna come?
Right now. What are you doing?
Okay.
I'm doing alright, guys. I need something to eat first. There's nothing to eat. Yes. Wow. Okay. Where's that other bread? The brown. There's no bread.
Okay, whatever. Okay, are you here? Where are you?
Over here!
Where?
Over here!
I don't freaking see you.
Are you started? Wait, you're over there. Doggy!
Wait, try to get over here and grab a chair.
Nah.
Wait, don't go yet.
Ah!
Okay. Don't
Doggy,
go yet.
No.
Doggy. And I don't see you.
Over here!
Oh. I'm dumb. Okay, wait. Okay, it's gonna be a race. When I say go, we're gonna start. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna win. Bye-bye. Goodbye, sucker.
Shut up!
You actually are a sucker.
Shut up!
Nah. I'm in the 4th Obby. And you're still behind.
Shut up!
Very impressive.
Shut up!
Make
Shut your
me.
mouth up!
Make me. These are so easy.
Why don't you choose a hard one?
I thought this was hard. Well, it might be hard when what the hell is this? This is so easy. Why is there gear advertisement? I don't even want idea. Yes. Wow, I'm in the 8th stage, and oh wow, I'm dead.
Shut up!
I just died for once. And again, oh my god.
I see you!
I don't see you.
That's because you're blind.
Sure.
I know.
Ha. I'm sorry for that stupid sound. It's our baby sister. Brooming. What the?
Row, row, row your boat.
Wow. Hmm?
Never mind.
I don't want to start picture day. I hate dresses. I even write it in about me.
I hate it when you wear them.
Because Mom forces me to.
You don't act mad when you wear it.
Hmm?
You don't act mad.
I have to listen to parents.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, this one is so easy.
Hmm?
I just died. Have you ever died?
Well, I did die 2 times.
I died 3 times.
Wow.
I fail at Obby, guys. But I do love Obby still. And I'm fed at the last one.
Okay.
Okay, just crickets now.
Crickets?
Yeah.
What are you talking about, crickets?
There's no talking.
What? I didn't even type it. Oh my god. I fucking hate this stage.
That's what happened to me before.
I thought guests were a band. And there's a guest here. To be honest, I kind of think guests are creepy.
Oh, stage 12 is so easy.
You had to do it in Obby from 12
We're
to 46.
We're in the same.
What? No, I'm gonna win. Ew! Oh my god, I'm at the baking stage.
What?
What? What?
Stage 12 is so easy, literally.
Wait, what? Dad, how are you still in that stage?
Because there's lots of things.
I mean obstacles.
Okay, now I'm in stage 13.
The last stage is gonna be 46.
I know. So why did you passed it?
Yep, I picked gamer 0209.
I put gamer 0209.
Don't hit the TV with the broom.
He's trying to say what you're saying.
She's a copycat. This is kind of like some lasers.
Our mom been calling people on her phone.
I like calling my friends on Discord. I have cool friends. Oh my god, this one is hard. Oh, this is impossible. What? Okay, I think I know how to do this. So I just have to go to the corner.
Jumping things?
Jumping?
Never mind. I was there to be a ninja warrior, Obby.
This is kind of like Ninja Warrior.
Yeah, because of the colors.
But Ninja Warrior has obstacles too.
Not like these, they don't have this. Oh, stage 17 is so easy for me.
Wow.
I'm never gonna die on this one. I mean, lose. But
If there's some color choices, that would be easy for me because I have a better way to know.
how?
I'm not telling. Oh, I'm in the color guessing one. This is so easy. Okay. I'm in stage 22.
I'm stage 18.
I'm not allowed to use my
I didn't even
headset.
die on stage 18. That was so easy for me.
Of course. What?
Oh my god, I haven't died.
What? No. Ooh. Good for you. Good for you, Caillou.
Oh, stage 20 is so easy.
Oh
All
my
you have to
god.
do is just jump and go.
Yeah, that happened to me too.
My baby.
Oh my god, why do I keep dying on this stage? It's supposed to be easy for me.
Oh my god, I get 21 now. It's so easy for me.
Well, at least I'm in 24. No, I hate this one. Walk.
Here's stage 25. Oh, I feel like this one.
No.
Hey, Mom, don't you say? Mom, don't hit me with that freaking broom, girl. Yeah, don't take your boogers.
Oh wait, I completed. Oh my god. Why is there a freaking wall like this? This is so easy. All you gotta do is walk. Goodbye, sucker. I'm in stage 28. Oh my god. I know I'm gonna fail at this one. Oh.
Did you say ooh when you died?
Yeah, it doesn't sound like it. One way to die in Roblox. You stupid. Oh my god. This is so impossible.
I need 20 more.
Huh?
I need 20 more. I see you.
Yes, I did it. What? What is this?
Did you show me your face?
Huh?
Did you show me your face?
What do you mean? No. I can do this.
Stage 20 is kind of easy.
Oh my god, how do you even do this thing?
What thing?
This ball rolling?
I don't know. I can barely see you. On a struggle.
I don't even see you.
Oh my god, stage 20 is so hard for me.
I can do it.
Can you help me? You're happy?
Hell no. Where? On that one. Yeah.